Well, in today's video, I'm gonna be making a DIY eye remover. I'm gonna shake it up and I just want you to kind of see the contents and how the oil actually sits in there. Same thing for the Neutrogena one as well. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. So number one thing I noticed in the ingredients here on both these bottles is both of them have water and both of them have aloe leaf juice in the recipe as well. You will find glycerin in here. This one has what, cucumber extract. Let's see what this one has. Yeah, so water's the first ingredient, aloe leaf juice. Pretty much the same exact ingredients that you're gonna find in this one as well. That always baffles me, like, okay, so if it's the same ingredients, why should I pay more? But is it really the same ingredients? So anyway, so let's just go ahead and see how we can make our own. First thing I have for this is I got this bottle from the Dollar Tree. First ingredient I'm gonna be adding is this distilled water. I don't wanna use anything that has any contaminants in it, so I'm going with this. Let's see here, and I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon. And then I have this aloe juice that I bought from Walmart. It was about like $3 something, $4. Mix it together, just put that in there. And let's do 1 more of that. And I'm going to be using glycerin for this. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4. And the one thing that I do know from glycerin is you always want to put some oil, other kind of moisturizer in there. We have the aloe juice in there, but I would definitely recommend some kind of other oil because it will burn, or it will also strip the skin dry. So I'm using melted coconut oil, and you can find these cups at the Dollar Tree. All right, now I do want to show you something. You see the oil is separated in the liquid, and same thing, it's also separated in the liquid right here as well. So I'm just gonna shake it up just a little bit. And they kind of have like that same type of bubbly type looking separation going on. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So I know y'all are gonna laugh, but I figure if you're gonna do this test, you gotta, you gotta go in hard. You know what I mean? All right, so what I have in my eyes for the stick pencil is the e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick. And this thing is no joke. It will go on, especially like if you use it as a base, it might almost feel like pulling off concrete. it will make your eyeshadow stick to it really, maybe just a little too good. And then for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is the waterproof formula. This thing is no joke to come off. I have 2 coats on my lashes, so I'm just gonna show you there. All right, and I made sure I put this eyeshadow stick stuff all on the top. See, like this stuff is dry. It ain't coming off. And then for the brows, I use the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Gel in medium brown. So, and I made sure I put it on and plastered it on real thick. So there ain't no excuse like, okay, oh, you made it weak. No, you're gonna do this, you gotta go in hard. So first one I'm gonna test out. Trying to get this pad wet. All right, let's see how we're gonna get this thing to come off. Oh, you know what? Ooh, I should have timed it. All right, so I'm gonna do a stopwatch. Let's go ahead and get cracking it. All right, I need something to wipe my eye. Try to make sure you keep your eyes closed for this too. Do not open your eye. Like I said, there's glycerin in this. This thing will, irritate your eyes, but you definitely want to make sure you put some kind of other moisturizer in here. Do not put this in there alone and then try to use this to clean your eyes off. Big, terrible idea. All right, let me stop it. 2 minutes, 31 seconds. And this is just water. So it's cleaned out. So it worked. So let's do the next eye reset. Check it up. I don't know what they're talking about, oil-free. Maybe they meant what the ingredient is that they put in there, but that thing still feels oily. This thing came straight off. Woo! Oh, it came straight out. Look at that. All right, let me make sure. That thing's clean though. All right, so the end time was 1 minute 3 seconds. That was like a whole minute and a half less than the one that the DIY that I made, but it's definitely, yep, they're both clean. Yep, my lashes are like flexible. So I got this to work just like this. Well, no, not just like this one. This one clearly worked like a lot faster, a lot quicker. But keep in mind that I also plastered, when I say I plastered my brows as well. But this thing, I mean, it literally like came straight off. But the cool thing is you making your own is you'll know what's in your makeup product. You'll know what's in it. You'll know what the ingredients are. Now with the aloe vera, like I said, the aloe vera juice, I would definitely keep this in the refrigerator. And then for some people that might not be convenient for them. You might not want to put it in the refrigerator. So I say you can try making it without the aloe juice. I'm sure it just probably has like some cooling some cooling effects, especially when you think about glycerin. If you ever try to put glycerin on your skin alone, you will notice that thing will burn. So I definitely recommend if you're using glycerin, maybe use less of it and use more of the coconut oil. Anyway, it wouldn't hurt to put the aloe vera juice in there as well. Like I said, it has soothing properties. If you know anything about aloe juice, aloe vera gel, anything like that, definitely go with the juice instead of the gel, maybe. Yeah, I would say so. Go with the juice instead of the gel. You definitely don't want this formula clumpy or anything like that. But anyway, that's it for this DIY. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm just glad I got it to work. Now I'm gonna store it in the refrigerator like I do with some of my other things that I use on my skin. Because that's just the way it is, and for me, I'm okay with it. But for you, it might be more convenient for you to just go to the store and just pick this up. At least you know this works. So definitely you can give this one a go, or maybe the other one as well. This one here from Target. Anyway, I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.